My experience here at BGSU since I've started architecture here has been incredible. I ended up deciding to go here because of the small field that BGSU offered, because there is a lot of options in Ohio for architecture, but this one just seemed a little bit different. And ever since I've been in there, the professors have immersed me into the curriculum. It's been very architecture focused, which has been fantastic. My first year professor, Scott McPherson, 100% has all of our best interests at heart. He's not my professor anymore, but he's always bothering me in software studio and making sure that everything is going the way that it needs to go. Everyone's time in architecture studio varies. I would say I'm there more than most because I'm the president of the American Institute of Architecture Students, which is one of the main organizations within the building. But honestly, I'm there almost 24/7, and if I'm not there, it's just because I'm sleeping for the night. The studio culture in architecture is very, very important. So being able to have 24/7 access is important, not only because of work, but because stuff that happens at 2, 3 in the morning is not something that happens at 2 in the afternoon. So far it's been fantastic.